Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
First, open the drawer. Lift and pull the handle or press the foot pedal to open the drawer. Do not compact items that may develop offensive odors. Load bulky trash in the center of the drawer. Load bottles and cans on their sides in the center of the drawer. Do not load bottles in an upright position. Turn the key knob to the on position. Close the door. Press the foot-actuated start button in with your toe to start the compacting cycle. To open the drawer, lift and pull the handle or press the foot pedal. When the trash is compacted to the top of the drawer, remove the bag. The key knob is removable. Remove the key knob to deny children access to operate the compactor.